Looks like my Digital Commando Academy welcome package has just arrived. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First up, we get sent a t-shirt. Digital Commando Academy. Let's go and throw this on now. Perfect fit. Okay. Next we get the trucker's hat. Just in time for summer. Next up, get a cool metal flask here. Perfect for keeping water cold. Branded pen. And quite a luxurious feeling notepad as well, with the Digital Commando branding on the front. Feels so nice. This feels like one of those notepads where you really want to be careful about what you write in here, because it feels so luxurious. And finally, we've got an anti-skim RFID wallet here. If you don't know what that is, basically you can put your contactless cards in here and it will make sure that you don't get any unwanted contactless payments come through if anyone tries to scam you on the street. This will keep your card protected. So this is what the Digital Commando Academy sends you when you join up. But bear in mind that only the first 100 subscribers are going to get all of this cool stuff here. So if you want to learn about how to do Facebook advertising and get all of these extra free goodies, go ahead and check out digitalcommando.uk. And as I said, you've got to be quick. Only the first 100 gets this care package.